At the Burton Healthcare Conference, we're joined by Sylvain Chretien, the President and CEO of Pediapharm, traded on the TSXV as PDP. Thank you for joining us today.
Hi, my pleasure.
So can you give us a quick introduction to Pediapharm and also what exciting news you have at the current moment?
Yes, we are a specialty pharma. What is unique about Pediapharm is we're the only company in Canada focusing primarily on children medicines. That's a big market, $1 billion, and we're the only player focusing primarily on this market. Mm-hmm. We're very excited right now as we speak because we just got the 2 recent approval on 2 great drugs, so we are currently launching those. So the early signs are very promising based upon the receptivity that we got from the market.
So I understand that you got an approval just mid-year last year for allergy medication. Can you talk to us about that product you have?
Yeah, it's a great drug called Rupall. There was no real innovation for the last 15 years. The product has been launched in over 62 countries around the world. And as I said, the doctors were looking forward to get something new for this market. And indeed, this drug has a unique dual mode of action. It has a broad indication, has obviously an indication for children. We also have the tablets for the adult market as well. But definitely, we're very pleased with this drug, given the medical literature supporting the product and all the clinical attribute, which is the big news, for the patient suffering from allergy.
Right. And for investors, what is the upside for investing in Pediapharm?
Well, right now there are 3 key things. First, we have great success with the established brands that we have, namely NIDA, Relaxa, and Naproxen suspension. So these products will continue to grow. Right. So that's number 1. Number 2, the fact that we got 2 recent approval, especially with Rupall and Notixa. So these 2 approvals will generate even more revenues over the next few months. And lastly, I think that we still have access to a great deal flow of new opportunities. So we're confident to add maybe 1 or 2 new products in our portfolio over the next few months.
Right, and those 2 products you mentioned, what's different about them compared to what's already on the market?
Well, they are one of the key attributes, let's say for Rupall, for instance, is the fact that it has a unique dual mode of action, meaning that the product brings some anti-inflammatory effect. So clinically, it's a better drug and it's more effective, and it has a very low sedation as well. And this can be taken with or without food, unlike other medication. In terms of Notixa, it's a great product given the unique dose delivery system, so much easier for the caregiver or for the doctor to give or to deliver the drugs in the kid's ear. So these are the 2 attributes, yeah.
Great. Now, for investors who want to get into Pediapharm, why invest in the company from your position as president and CEO?
Well, looking at the matrix out there, I think that we account for a great opportunity given the stock price right now, and also looking at where we're heading in terms of projections. So timing is good as we are at the tipping point of our journey, given the recent approvals and the continued success that we have with our established brands.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Sylvain.
My pleasure.
To learn more from the Burton Healthcare Conference, you can watch our other videos on SmallCapPower.com.